Settle everything.
Yeah, that is at least.
So our team events is finished. So I think we all played our best and gave our best for our team TSPB. So I'm really happy with my performance and my team's performance. So yeah, we gave our best. Of course, many players are there, young paddlers are there. They're really good, and I'm happy with that. That they are doing really great for our country and in nationals also. So I'm happy with that. And of course, tough competition will be there in singles too. And I think whenever I come for nationals, I always think that I have to play like a kid, not like Manika Batra. So yeah, I just give my best with each and every player. I think everyone is really good, and they are international players too, some of them. So I think they are tough competitions, but if I give my best, I can win with everyone. I think they should just keep working hard, whatever the result is. They should give their best, and I think they should train more and like be focus on their what they want in life and what they want to achieve in their life. From last 2018 बहुत change आया and I'm happy with that, especially after Commonwealth Games. People are showing their interest in table tennis and our government is helping. So I'm really happy and satisfied with that. But of course, we need more to improve our game and facilities. So I'm just hoping that they keep on supporting us and we'll just go and give our best for our. I think yes, because many players they are going abroad also to train, and here they have good coaches in India and good practice partners. And like for me, I personally feel that I want to play in India because I have practice partner with me and I have place to play. So I think अभी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है कि लोग facilities दे रहे हैं to table tennis players, and I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Hall is really big. I like that, and yeah, I like the facility. I like this weather, so yes, I am enjoying it. Of course, I did not get chance to go out and just see because we had matches, but I'll try if I get time. I'll go see around. You can suggest something, and but I like this weather a lot, and people here are very simple. I like that thing. My second time. First, I was in 2000. I'm not sure, but 2015 maybe for South Asian. Not 15. I don't know. So South Asian I came where I won 3 gold and 1 silver. So yeah, this is lucky for me. So let's see in singles what happens. Yep.
Thank you.